Another day, another putt-putt.
Another day, another putt-putt. This was also a Groupon. It was a little more expensive than Gator Golf. However, my expectations are equally low. It does look from the outside to be reasonably well maintained.
Yeah, I would think so.
So
also, surprise, this golf putt-putt place has gators also.
I was trying to explain to my wife that those who are not from Florida, who are on iDrive, will want to see gators in a very easy and accessible manner. So that's probably why.
Yeah, he said that because I grew up in Florida, I don't care. And that's true. I just don't.
I'm sort of drifting towards not caring, but I'm still like, whoa, it's a gator kind of thing. So I understand.
Here's some of the gators. Okay, we're doing the harder side since there's no one in front of us right now, right? Right, Samo?
We are putt-putt pros.
Putt-putt pros.
We think we are putt-putt pros.
You're gonna have to give me a good head start on this one, Samo, if it's the hardest.
I'll give you 9. No, I'll give you 8.
Okay. The first go round goes the hole. No way. On this hole, I didn't even really see it. I was expecting it to go, be aimed through there, expecting it to go to the hole over here. I guess it didn't because it bounced off and it's lost somewhere either in this bush or in the water. He has to go get a new ball. And mine bounced off of the wall, but ended up bouncing off that and then somehow going through this part. He's really struggling with this hole. He just did the same exact thing, except he was able to save the ball. I don't know if you saw it came out from there. Playing pool now.
So it just sort of opened up and we now got this magnificent view over a lake. This is a Universal hotel called Endless Summer. All the way around. Then we can even see the spinny thing over there. What's it called?
The swing? I don't know.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool.
power stance.
I won!
So aggressive. By 1 point.
And I gave you a head start. You didn't have a very good night. In all
No,
honesty.
but it was also the hardest side that we did.
Yes, that was your choice.
Well, that's because I didn't want to have to wait.
Plus, we play putt putt often enough. Shouldn't intimidate us. They did a few things different to most places. You may have noticed they have stones on the outside, which means that you can't really play for a bounce off the wall, which makes it harder straight away.
Yeah, and I thought it was really cool looking in a lot of the areas, like the cool stepping stones over the water to get to the other putting green was really cool.
Yeah.
I really liked it.
So it's one of the lower budget putt putts, and it's obviously not quite as good as in terms of like features and all of that as some of the other places we've been, but it's also in terms like compared to Disney, it's less than half the price.
Yeah, and I would come to this one again. Would not go to Gator Golf again, but I would come here again. It's good for the price, and there's another side that we didn't get to do, so definitely would try that again.
Lost Caverns Golf.
2 thumbs up. We've made it to the gym.
The gym?
This is our gym for the day. Just getting our steps in.
Some fast walking then?
Well, I have been fast walking, but I am about to slow down.
You've been doing well with fast walking, that's not live.
Yeah. So we're at the gym. Just kidding, we're at Animal Kingdom. I think we're gonna go ride the Avatar boat ride.
Yeah.
Okay. We're in line for, what is this? It's the Avatar boat ride? River journey?
Yes, Navi River Journey.
Yes. And the line is actually, the queue is really nice looking, really cool looking.
We have this view out into the land. So the story here is that we've been invited to Pandora by the Navi, which is the big blue people, to the Valley of Moara. And we are going on a boat journey around, and it's going to turn from day to night. So this is like a native people kind of shelter hut, which is how it's designed. And then we're going on a little raft. We were just on, Beth is hatching an egg. Probably a good time to explain what is distracting us now. Oh, it's a ponytail, it's a fairy one. Currently we get distracted when we go to these kinds of places by
Mostly him.
You're about to do a raid with your sister.
Yes.
By Pokemon Go, which has been out for a few years, but Bethany's family love it, and Disney has a Pokemon hotspot, absolute hotspot. So she's currently doing a raid, but we're going over to Asia to go on Everest, yay, and then the river rapids. But we just stopped by this cute little photography area where the tree is, because it's cool.
Nope. Ah.
It's Doug and Russell. What are you doing? So we just got ourselves a locker because we're going on the river rapids ride, just because it's handier with our bags and stuff. Although Betha was struggling. So they're free for 2 hours for a standard one, which not many people might know, but it's super handy and super easy, right? So we were at Animal Kingdom. We kind of rushed out in the end because it was night, but we went through the shop and there were some cool things. There was like a new range of cookware, which was super
cute.
There was like a lot of different things with that. We went on Everest, which was always fun.
Yeah, there was a little girl in the line in front of us who was talking to us and saying how she loves this ride, and this was like her 3rd time riding the ride. And then she sat in front of us on the ride, and she kept looking back at us to see if we were having fun. It was so cute. And then I got off the ride. I'm starting to feel old every time I get off this ride because I think that I'm just feeling old. I get sick afterwards. So.
We went on the rapids. We actually got wet on it, which is like quite a big deal because it's usually not that wet. So it was a super fun night, and we're going to go to bed now.
Yes, good night.